What's going on, guys? In this quick video, I'm going to do a recap on AMP as it has broken out since I made my last update. I'm also going to take a look at Polygon Matic for you guys, and we're going to take a look at Enjin token for you guys. So if that sounds good and you're a fan of cryptocurrency, first and foremost, please make sure you come down here to Average Joe Crypto and you just smash that subscribe button and destroy the like button for the algorithm. Also, guys, come check out some of my other videos if you would. I would greatly appreciate it very much. Alright, so first let's do a quick recap on AMP as it has broken above that 0.077 cent price range that I mentioned in my previous video. So I want to give you guys an idea of where I think we could potentially go from here. Guys, you know that my target here, I'm going to go ahead and take out this measured moved trend line, but you know, guys, that my target there is 12 cents. However, there's a couple of areas of resistance that I want to pay attention to for you guys here. And before I get started on that, the one thing I do want to mention is the volume. Okay, if you look at the volume here, guys, we had beautiful volume on this break to the upside. However, you know, we do have a nice run here to the upside and we're breaking some resistance levels. However, the volume does seem to be declining here. So in my opinion, we should be looking out for possible rejection soon, possible retrace, maybe something similar to this retrace back here. That's why I want to pay attention to this next price level, which in my opinion is 10 cents, guys. We're right there close to it. We're at 8 cents, the higher end of 8 cents, getting close to 9 cents. I would pay attention to 10 cents, guys. To be completely honest, it's possible that 9 cents plays as some resistance here, just based on the fact that this volume is declining as the price action is rising. And you can see that on the 4-hour chart, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green 4-hour candles, guys. So in my opinion, you know, we could be due for a retrace here. So guys, I'm paying attention to that 10 cent price range, mainly the 10 cent price range, guys, for a retrace. That's if we don't catch a little bit here at 9 cents. And I know those are just a couple of cents price range difference, guys, but these are the type of updates I like to do. I do short-term, long-term price action updates, all that jazz. So make sure you do subscribe if you're new to the channel. But that's the area I'm paying attention to next, guys. Let's pay attention to that 10 cent price range up there. And then, of course, we have our measured move target of this as a giant cup and handle, which is 12 cents, which would also kind of line you up with the top of your resistance line from your long-term resistance. I do want to point out the fact, though, that we are above this long-term support line in yellow, right? We are, for AMP, guys, we are breaking above this long-term support line for yellow, or in yellow, excuse me. It was major support back here. So, guys, I definitely want to see that hold here. We don't want to break back down below it once breaking above it. That would just not be a good sign in my opinion. All right, so next, guys, I'm going to throw it over here on Polygon Matic. We've got it on the 4-hour chart as well. And if you zoom in here, you can see that we are breaking out of our downwards trend resistance. This is a very good sign here on the 4-hour chart especially. I'll zoom in on this real quick. So you can see that we did have this in here as a potential bull flag. And it looks like that measured move did play out. We caught a little bit of resistance there at about $1.60. Guys, you know that the target originally was around the $1.55, but we went up to about $1.60. And then we retraced down here to about $1.49 after reaching $1.60. So that measure move of this bull flag was a good key indicator that we were going to break to the upside here. So next I'm going to pay attention to a few areas of resistance for you guys. So the first one that I would pay attention to here, guys, for Polygon Matic would be that $1.80 price range. If I just go ahead and put a horizontal trend line in there at $1.80, you can see that really makes sense, guys. It lines you up here with this previous price action, this previous support, and then you can see that we broke support, and that's when we fell down to the downside. So that $1.80 price range, which we're at $1.67 now, so we're coming up to test that now. I would be paying attention to that $1.80 price range, guys, if we could get rejected there as resistance. However, if we were to break through that, that would be a pretty significant break, in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom it on out and take a look at another area of resistance to pay attention to on our way up here for Polygon. So, guys, in my opinion, I would also pay attention to that $2 price level, and then, of course, $2.50. 250 was our local tops back here. And then, of course, the $2 price level kind of lines you up with this previous resistance. So you want to pay attention to previous support levels and previous resistance levels when you're on your way back to the upside here, because either one of those could play as resistance here in the future. And just for a little bit of fun here, we can speculate this giant pattern as a wedge pattern, and we can put in a measured move here. Keep in mind, this is not financial or investment advice, guys. You should invest at your own risk and do your own research. I am not a financial advisor, but we can speculate here, and we can put us in a measured move here of this pattern, and we can drag it over here to our breakout point. And the measured move looks like to be right there around $3 to $3.50. Now, keep in mind, this is kind of a choppy, sketchy pattern here for Polygon. However, like I said, just for pure speculation, guys, to see where that measured move would get us, it's looking like about $3 to $3.50. Obviously, it won't go up in a straight line, but if we do rebound here, if we do hold this support at $1.50 and we break our resistance there near $2, you know, $3 to $3.50 is absolutely possible if we come up and break all of our levels of resistance. Okay, guys, next I'm going to take a look at Enjin for you guys. This is also on the 4-hour chart. Keep in mind, guys, that I've kept all these charts on the 4-hour chart. So these are the long-term time frames. However, I am sort of giving you guys some short-term targets and areas, price levels to pay attention to. So for Enjin, guys, you can see that we are still in this downtrend, okay? This downtrend of resistance here. And really, until we get above that, we cannot really claim to be bullish here, especially on the 4-hour chart. And also, excuse me, also I want to pay attention to that $2 price range. You can see how well it played as support previously, support, just major support. We broke below it here, and then we caught resistance on it here. So just a very key, significant price level there at $2. Also, in my opinion, a psychological price target there at $2 even. So what I want to see for Enjin, guys, we got to get above this thin white trend line, which is our downtrend resistance. We got to get above that, and then we need to get above $2. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. A break of $2 should absolutely get you up here to test this resistance near 265. This is pretty significant resistance, guys. So we would definitely pay attention to this 265 price level in the future. Just you can see back here how well it played as resistance here. And then also here you can see how well it played as resistance. So here in the near future, guys, I would definitely be wanting to pay attention to this price level of 265. Really $2.65 to $3. You can see back here at $3 as well. $3 played as some major resistance where we broke down and dropped back here in the price action. You can see right here, $3 is right there. We broke support and we broke down to the downside. So really $2.65 to $3, either of those price levels could play as resistance here in the future. But the main thing here that we want to get across and get above, currently, if you look at it, if I zoom in here, you can see that Enjin really needs to get above this $1.50, really trying to hold us down. I'm not liking the way this looks right here. You got these two wicks up here, these two touches and confirmations of resistance here on $1.50, as well as this one where you drop to the downside. However, we did hold this support nicely on $1.15. So we are just currently kind of trading sideways here in between $1.15 and $1.50. But I definitely would love to see a $1.50 break. It's been a key price level. So once we get a break of $1.50, guys, I think that we would most likely come up here and break through this downwards resistance and test $2. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick, to-the-point update on Polygon Matic, Enjin, and AMP. And guys, as always, this is not financial or investment advice, but if you are a fan of cryptocurrency and you love cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. So make sure before you leave, hit that subscribe button, destroy the like button for the algorithm, if nothing else, guys. It really helps get the videos out to people. Do appreciate it, guys. And also, if you're already a subscriber to the channel and you would really like to support what I'm doing here, you can hit join over here. And for just 99 cents a month, guys, you can join as a member of the channel. You get these cool perks. You get these cool loyalty badges next to your names. My favorite part, guys, I mentioned this before in my videos, my favorite part is you get to use these cool crypto emojis in all of the comments of my videos and during the live streams. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next update.